Yeah, hello everyone. The Department of Technical Education, Telangana. My name is K. Nagaraju, contract lecturer in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Government Polytechnic for Women, Nizamabad. The subject is microcontroller programming. The main topic is architecture of 8051 microcontroller. The subtopic is the internal external memories of 8051. Internal external memories of 8051. The objectives: on the completion of this class you should able to know about the internal memories of 8051, the external memories of 8051, the accessing internal and external memories. In the previous class we studied about the pin diagram of 8051, the functions of various pins, and also in the earlier classes we discussed the features of 8051 microcontroller. The features of 8051 microcontroller. In the earlier classes the features of 8051 microcontroller also we discussed. Again we are discuss some features of 8051, then we are going to explain the memory organization. Generally in the pin configuration we already discussed, which having the 40 pins. The 40 pins at 1 to 8 they are belongs to port 1, and ninth pin is the reset. The pin number 10 to 17 they are belong to port 3, and 18 and 19 belongs to crystal connection signals external 2 and external 1, and pin 20 is belongs to ground, and pin 21 to 28 they are belonging to port 2, 29, 30, 31, 29 program store enable, programmable store enable, 30 is the address latch enable, 31 is the external access, and 32 to 39 they are belongs to port 2, port 0, the address and data lines multiplexed, and 40 pin is the VCC. And also we discussed the various functions of that particular pins. The 8051 microcontroller has the 40 pins and it operates with 12 megahertz of clock and the supply of 5 volt supply. The internal ROM on chip program memory capacity is 4 kilobytes. In a features we already discussed about this particular point. And its internal RAM on chip data memory capacity is 128 bytes. Its internal ROM on chip program memory capacity is 4 kilobytes. The internal RAM on chip data memory capacity is 128 bytes, and it has external data memory of 64 kilobytes external program memory of 64 kilobytes. That means some important discussion of memories we are discussed in the previous as features of 8051. In this particular class we are going to explain the complete internal and external access, internal memory and external memory of 8051. That means the memory organization of 8051 microcontroller. The memories of 8051, they are having the two types. One is the internal memory, the on chip, that is the program memory and data memory. Memories of 8051, they are having the two types. One is internal memory, second one is the external memory. Internal memory means on chip memory, external memory means connected outside memory, external memory. The internal memory also we are having the program memory and data memory. The program memory 4 kilobytes. The data memory 128 bytes. 128 bytes. In the memories of 8051 we are having the two types, that is the internal memory and external memory. Internal memory on chip, the program memory, that is the 4 kilobytes, the data memory 128 bytes. The external memory, that is the connected outside, the program memory 64 kilobytes and the data memory 64 kilobytes. If you are observe in this particular block diagram, the representation of memory organization in the 8051, the first one is the memory organization in 8051. The first is the internal memory, on-chip memory, external memory or the off-chip memory. Internal memory or on-chip memory, external memory or off-chip memory. And data memory, that is RAM 128 bytes. Program memory ROM 4 kilobytes. 4 kilobytes. The data memory RAM 128 bytes. 128 bytes. The program memory ROM 4 kilobytes. The external memory, off-chip memory, data memory RAM 64 kilobytes, the program memory ROM 64 kilobytes. The program memory. Before that, here a functioning computer must require memory for program and data. A functioning computer must require memory for program and data. ROM, read-only memory, is used for the program code and data could be stored in RAM. The ROM, read-only memory, is used for program code, and data could be stored in RAM, random access memory. The code memory in the memory that holds the actual program that is to be run. The data memory is the memory space where data are stored. The code memory is the memory that holds the actual program that is to be run. The data memory is the memory space where data are stored. The 8051 has internal RAM and ROM memory for these functions. Additional memory can be added externally using the suitable circuits. The 8051 has internal RAM or ROM memory for these functions. The additional memory can be added externally using suitable circuits. The program memory. Microcontroller has or used in dedicated applications hence the same program is always executed. For smaller applications, the required program may be loaded in the on-chip program memory of 4 kilobytes. If the on-chip program memory is not sufficient, we can connect external program memory of up to 6 kilobytes. If the on-chip program memory is not sufficient, if the on-chip program memory is not sufficient, we can connect external program memory of up to 664 kilobytes. With 16 address bits, 8051 can access 64 kilobytes of memory. The program store enable act as read control signal to external program memory. The program memory, the microcontrollers are used in dedicated applications. Hence, the same program is always executed. For smaller applications, the required program may be loaded in the on-chip program memory of 4 kilobytes. If the on-chip program memory is not sufficient, we can connect external program memory of up to 64 kilobytes. With 16 address bits, 8051 can access 64 kilobytes of memory. And program store enable acts as read control signal to the external program memory. The program memory, two options of using the program memory. Option 1, the 60 kilobytes of external from 1000H2 FFFF and the 4 kilobytes of internal from 0000H2 0FFFFH. the 4 kilobytes of internal, the 4 kilobytes of internal and 64 kilobytes of 60 kilobytes of external. It starts from 100h to FFFFH. And option 2 for the program memory, the 64 kilobytes of external from 000h to FFFFH. That means in a program memory, the two options are using the program memory. Option 1, 60 kilobytes of external, that is 1000h to FFFFH, and 4 kilobytes of internal 0000h to 0FFFH. or the total 64 kilobytes are used for external data, program memory, that is 000h to FFFH. For option 1, the external access pin to be connected, option 1, external access pin to be connected to high, the address are generated in the range of 000h 000h to 0FFFH are referred to internal ROM, are referred to internal ROM. Addresses above 0FFFH from 100h to FFFH refer to external program memory. For option 2, external address to be connected to load, the program memory address in the entire range of 000h to FFFH refer to external memory. The internal program memory is not used. Accessing external program memory. Accessing external program memory. Here we are having the 8051. How the external memory is accessed with the help of pins. Here we are having the ROM. This is the 8051. Here we are having the pins. The write, read, PSEN, program store enable, address latch enable, the port to 0.0 to 0.7, address external address, and port to 2.0 to 2.7. Here we are using for multiplexing the signals, we are using the one latch, that is the 74LS373. Based on these connections, we are accessing the external memory to the 8051 microcontroller. This is the external memory is accessed by the microcontroller to multiplexing the signals with the help of latch. and accessing external program memory. The lower 8-bit address, that is A7 to A0, from port 0 is latched and sent to EEPROM. The upper 8 bits address, that is the A15 to A8, coming from port 2 is used to EEPROM. So the 16-bit address is received by the EEPROM and its location is selected. When the PSEN becomes active or the 0, instruction byte from the location is read and send to 8051 on port 0 D7 to D0. Accessing the external program memory, the lower 8-bit address, that is A7 to A0, from port 0 is latched and sent to EEPROM. The upper 8-bit address A15 to A8, coming from port 2 is sent to EEPROM. So the 16-bit address is received by the EEPROM and the location is selected. When the PSEN becomes active 0, the instruction byte from that location is read and sent to 8051 on the port 0 D7 to D0. And data memory. Every program operates on some data. The data may be stored in external data memory or the lower 128 bytes RAM or external data memory 64 kilobytes. Every program operates on some data. Data may be stored in the external data memory, the lower 128 byte RAM or external data memory 64 kilobytes. The data memory of 8051, the internal data memory, upper 128 bytes RAM, not in 8051. Here lower 128 byte of RAM. 00H to 7FH, addressable by direct and indirect addressing. The data from 00H to 7FH accessible by direct and indirect addressing. The 80H to FFH accessible by indirect addressing only. And special function registers 80H to FFH accessible by direct addressing only. The data memory 8051 external data memory RAM 000H to FFH, and both the external and internal memories can be used. Internal data memory. The lower 128 byte RAM can be used through direct or indirect addressing. The lower 128 bytes RAM can be used through direct or indirect addressing. The address range from 00H to 7FH. There are two memory areas. There are two memory areas in the address range of 80H to FFH. The upper 128 byte RAM present from 8052 not in 8051. The upper 128 byte RAM present only from 8052 not in 8051. The special function registers both are distinguished with the addressing methods. The lower 128 byte RAM, the lower 128 byte RAM, the byte addressable area 3027FH, the byte addressable area 3027FH, the bit addressable area 2022FH. The bank 3, bank 2, bank 1, bank 0. The bank 0 starts at 00207H. The bank 1 0820FH. The bank 2 1017H. The bank 3 1821FH. The bit addressable area 2022FH. The byte addressable area 3027FH. The lower 128 byte of RAM, the area in the range of 002 1FH can be used either as normal RAM or as registers. The area in the range of 002 1FH can be used either as normal RAM or as registers. Out of 4 register banks, only one can be active at any time as indicated by the program status word. In the program status word, we are having the two registers, that is the RS1 and RS0. Based on the RS1 and RS0 bits, the banks will be selected. Out of 4 register banks, only one can be active at any time as indicated by program status word. The area in the range of 22 2F 2022FH can be used as the bytes of memory or as individual bits if required. That is the 128 bits. The lower 128 byte RAM, the bit addresses can be assigned in a two ways. The bit addresses can be assigned in a two ways. 00H to 7FH and address of location 20.0, it represents the address of the location. 20.1 etc. up to 2F.7 is the bit number in that location. The two ways of accessing the any location. The two ways of accessing the any location. First one is direct accessing by specifying addresses of the location directly. The two ways of accessing any location, that is direct addressing by specifying the address of the location directly. Example, move a comma 31h. The indirect addressing address is kept in either R0 or R1 of the selected register bank, and the register is mentioned in the instruction. The indirect addressing, the address is kept in either R0 or R1 of the selected bank register bank, and the register is mentioned in the instruction. Example, move a at the rate of R0. External data memory. In addition to internal data memory, up to 64 kilobytes of external data memory can be used. In addition to internal data memory, up to 64 kilobytes of external data memory can be used. Only indirect addressing is used with the that. For external data memory of up to 128 bytes, that is R0, R1 are used as a pointer register. That is example, move x a comma at the rate of R0. For external data memory of 64 kilobytes of 16-bit pointer register, the data pointer is used. Same as previous one. Here some additional information related to this one. The internal memory or the on-chip memory, the 8051 has 128 bytes of RAM for the data memory and the 4 kilobytes of ROM for the code memory inside the IC chip. In 8051 has 128 bytes of RAM for the data memory and 4 kilobytes of ROM for code memory inside the IC chip. These memories are called the internal memory or the on-chip memory. Internal RAM, that is the IRAM. The 128 bytes of internal RAM with address space from 00H to 7FH is divided into three groups as follows. One minute. Here, internal memory or on-chip memory. Internal memory or on-chip memory. The 8051 has 128 of RAM for data memory and 4 kilobytes of ROM for the code memory inside the IC chip. These memories are called the internal memory or on-chip memory. These memories are also called internal memory or on-chip memory. Internal RAM, that is the IRAM. Internal RAM, that is the IRAM. The 128 bytes of internal RAM with address space from 00H to 7FH is divided into three groups as follows. Here, like 00H to 1FH, we are having four banks: Bank 0, Bank 1, Bank 2 and Bank 3. 20H to 2FH, the bit addressable area. 30H to 2FH is the general purpose area. The working of registers 32. The lowest 32 bytes address 00H to 1FH of the internal RAM from the four bank registers each. The four register banks are numbered as 0 to 3. Each bank is made up of 8 registers named R0 to R7. Only one register bank can be accessed by 8051 at a time. The default bank on reset is bank 0. The location 00 to 707H. The bits RS1, PSW.4 and RS0 PSW, that means in the program status mode, the third pin and fourth pin is the bank selection pins. Of the program status word, it used to select any one of the four register banks. Next is the bit addressable area. The 8051 provides 16 bytes of bit addressable area. It occupies RAM byte addresses from 20H to 2FH, forming a total of 128 16 into 8 addressable bits. The general purpose, the last 80 bytes 30H to 7FH of the 8051, the internal RAM is called the general purpose RAM or scratch pad or memory locations. The scratch pad area is used for general purpose storage, that is to store the data, results, constants and intermediate results. 000H to FFFFH 64 kilobytes of external ROM and internal ROM IROM. The 8051 has 4 kilobytes of internal ROM with address space 000H to 0FFFH. This is used to store the final version of program codes, hence the name program memory. Note, it is programmed by the manufacturer when the chip is built. This part cannot be erased or altered after fabrication. The 000FH to FFFH is 64 kilobytes of external RAM. This is the memory organization. Some important discussion of the memory organization of 8051. Now this is the accessing external data memory. Here the accessing address external data memory, the 8051 is there, and in the 8051 the accessing purpose we are using the write bar, read bar, PSEN, address latch enable, the port 0, 0.0 to 0.7, the 8 pins are there, and write, read, program store enable, address latch enable, the P 3.0, 0.7. Here the address port lines are multiplexed with data lines. Here P 0.0 to 0.7 is connected to latch, the multiplexing latch 74 LS 373. The address latch enable is given to the multiplexer latch, and here the address lines A0 to A7, and here the remaining P 2.0 which having the pins are higher order address pins are A8 to A15. That means the 8051 is accessing the external data memory in the microcontroller. Same as here also we are having the external data memory accessing the external program memory. Here the P 0.0 to 0.7, the address and data lines D0 to D7, here A0 to A7, here port 2.0 to 2.7, A8 to A8, A8 to A15. Then here having some pins related to the accessing of the program memory, external program memory for the 8051 to ROM. This is the brief discussion about the memory organization of 8051 microcontroller. The memory organization, the internal and external memories of 8051, external memories of 8051, and accessing internal and external memories. In the frequently asked questions, explain about the internal memories of 8051. Explain about the external memories of 8051. How do you connect the external memory, external program memory and data memory to the 8051 microcontroller? In the quiz questions, we are having some important quiz questions related to this topic. The size of internal program memory is, the size of internal program memory is, the size of internal program memory is dash 4 kilobytes. The size of internal program memory is 4 kilobytes. The maximum program memory supported by 8051 is, maximum program memory supported by 8051 is 64 kilobytes. Again I am repeating, the size of internal program memory is 4 kilobytes. The maximum program memory supported by 8051 is 64 kilobytes. The size of internal data memory 128 bytes. The size of internal program memory is the 4 kilobytes. The size of internal data memory 128 bytes. This is the program 4 kilobytes, data 128 bytes. Program it requires more data than 4 kilobytes. Here data only 128 bytes. The size of special function registers is 128 bytes. The size of special function registers area is 128 bytes. In the memory organization, all of you please try to understand the memory organization of 8051. Internal memory, that is the on-chip memory, external memory or the off-chip memory, data memory, that is the RAM 128 bytes, in the internal program memory, that is the ROM read-only memory 4 kilobytes, internal memory, that is the on-chip memory, data memory, RAM 128 bytes, program memory, ROM 4 kilobytes, external memory, off-chip memory, RAM 64 kilobytes, program memory, ROM 64 kilobytes. Here data memory, external memory, on off-chip memory, data memory and program memories, RAM and ROM 64 kilobytes. Easy to remember. The on-chip memory, data memory, RAM 128 bytes. The program memory, ROM 4 kilobytes. Again I am going to discuss about the quiz questions related to this topic. The size of internal program memory is 4 kilobytes. The maximum program memory supported by 8051 is 64 kilobytes. The size of internal data is a 128 bytes. The size of special function registers is 128 bytes. I hope all of you understood the memory organization of 8051 microcontroller. The main objectives of this class is internal memories of 8051, external memories of 8051, and accessing internal and external memories, that is data and program memory. In the internal RAM, we are classifying like the register banks in the range of 00H to 7FH. That is the 00 to 07 bank 0, 08 to 0F bank 1, 10 to 17 bank 2, 18 to 1F bank 3, 20 to 2F bit addressable area, 30 to 7F general purpose registers. This is the internal RAM. The internal ROM 00H to FFFH, the 64 kilobytes of external RAM, the 4 kilobytes of internal ROM with address space from 0000H to 0FFFH, and the internal ROM IROM, it is programmed by the manufacturer when the chip is built. This part cannot be erased or altered after fabrication. This is the discussion about the memory organization of 8051. The memory organization, the two types, internal memory, external memory, that is the on-chip memory, connected outside memory, internal memory, program memory, data memory, the external memory, program memory, and data memory. I hope that all of you understood this particular memory organization. Please go through textbook and read the topic. I think okay, I am going to stop the class. Thank you. The frequently asked questions, generally they are asking the long questions. Explain about the internal memories of 8051. Explain about the external memories of 8051. How do you connect external program memory and data memory to 8051? Okay, thank you one and all.